Hey everybody, Danny Rubino here with Windows Central, and this is the Razer Seiren V3 Pro. I'm going to give it a quick review, so let's get to it. All right, this is a pro level dynamic mic. It packs a warm 30mm capsule, USB-C and XLR outputs, physical gain dial on the bottom, tap to mute, and a chroma RGB ring because, of course, it's Razer. It also retails for $249, so it's definitely not cheap. I'm recording this voiceover on the Seiren V3 Pro using the USB digital connection with Synapse DSP and the AI noise reduction enabled. You can judge the sound for yourself. In the box, you get all sorts of cool things, including the built-in pop filter, built-in shock absorber, and an included mount to recording in minutes. It's super easy to set up. You also get a USB-C cable, but no XLR cable in the box, as those are very pricey. Synapse brings 32-bit float, parametric EQ, and AI noise removal that cleans noisy rooms and cuts post-work, though aggressive filtering can need a little manual tweaking. Dual USB XLR gives plug-and-play convenience now and a pro upgrade path later. The chroma integration makes it a perfect fit for Razer setups. If you want more information about this microphone, including my full review, head to Windows Central and you can get more information there. Thanks for watching, everyone.